What's up, Wicked World? We've got a 2019 URUS on the dyno today. We're going to do some stock baseline pulls. I'm going to log it with my B-Flash so then I can create a stage 1 file for it. So let's see what it does on the baseline. Just got done with the baseline. Did pretty good, 580, 580-ish on both. If you look at the graph, it looks kind of not good. So hopefully the stage 1 tune, I've got the data log, so I'm going to go through the data, see maybe bad gas or something. But should have a better looking graph after just the stage 1 tune only. It'll pull power that way.
What do you mean visually? Like what visually makes it the graph not good?
Octane.
Octane.
Most of the time. Yeah, if it's getting a little bit of spark knock and it pulls timing, that instantly affects power. So you'll see the shaky lines. Incorrect fueling can do that too. Being really fat, cap protection can do it.
Yeah.
A lot of factors. Took a little bit of load out of it.
Yeah.
Just because it took so long to complete that pull.
Yeah.
I like to see maybe like a 10-second run instead of a 15-second run.
Yeah.
Especially when it's at a high mile an hour on a all-wheel drive car.
Yep.
Yeah.
So would you generally like achieve that through doing it in a lower gear or just changing the load on the dyno?
It depends. It doesn't have much of a load. This will automatically put that it's a 5,000-6,000 pound vehicle. I can take a little bit of load out of it to compensate to get through a whole pool. I mean, if we were in fourth, it wouldn't have any issues, but the graph would be the same. Okay. Yeah, all this is the file.
Whoa.
All the little zeros and ones.
Dude, it's just code.
Yeah.
Literally just ones and zeros. That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's like
And so like each one of these, like it's detecting maps.
Yeah.
In like these locations.
Okay.
Then there's another file that will convert these into actual, like what they are from the manufacturer.
Yeah.
So it makes more sense. Like this one
Mm-hmm.
would be, I mean, it could be a torque map. It could be anything. So it's got scales here.
Yeah.
This, I mean, but it's got thousands and thousands, probably.
So there's thousands of lines.
Yep.
Bro. So is the Lambos like a lot longer list?
A what?
Like a lot longer list compared to like like a Corvette, right? Like they kind
it's
of
just the
same size?
ECU. I mean,
Yeah.
so like you can kind of see over here, a lot of this is blank,
Yeah.
and then all the colored is data points.
Oh, okay.
So that's a pretty big file. A
That's
Bosch,
huge. Yeah.
a Bosch MG1 ECU is very complicated.
Yeah.
But some of the older stuff, it's really small. Like
Yeah.
there's only probably like this much data in there.
Yeah.
A lot of this stuff doesn't even pertain to ECU, it's other things.
Oh, I see.
So
Cool.
look at how smooth that graph was.
Dude.
Oh wow, yeah, it is like way different.
Wow.
Let's do a little before and after action.
Oh yeah.
This is my first one.
Okay.
So,
Looks pretty good.
do you think there's more to gain still?
Yeah, I turned on the timing a bunch because of the shakiness, and it liked it, obviously.
Yeah.
So now I just got to look at the log and see it hit some kind of limiter because it should kind of reproduce that straight torque curve. And it obviously hit something and then started subtracting from there.
Yeah.
So we'll find out what that is and fix it.
Cool.
Hey guys, Nick here again. Just completed day 1 of stage 1 tuning on this URUS. It's going pretty good. Nick here, WIKD Tuned. Just finished up the day. 668 horsepower, 689 torque. So pretty good gains, stage 1. Like I said, it's a bone stock car. I really want to see what it's going to do without cats on it and a good flowing intake. For right now, that's pretty good gains overall. The graph looks a lot better. I could pull that up right now. So yeah, as I was saying, the graph definitely looks a lot better. Took some timing out of it actually. So it smoothed out the graph. It's a lot happier with whatever fuel's in it. It was able to make a full pull without kind of stuttering, and then you can see before the power dropped off real hard. Pulls all the way to red line. So yeah, pretty happy with it. Telling you, there's all kinds of shit going on.
Dude,
Kenny.
yeah.
Kenny's block's hot. The
Oh, there's a helicopter.
Oh, wait.
A helicopter?
Yeah. Is that a police?
Another police chase?
Police helicopter?
They got roads blocked off over here.
It's a freaking GTA server. Someone has
People are-
flagged.
Road for pullers, apparently. They got this closed down.
Oh, they do?
Shit,
Let's just go in that parking lot to your right. Just
Yeah. So what I'm gonna have y'all do is basically we're gonna use this red line as a reference. You're gonna do a launch control pull, or you're gonna do like a launch. We're gonna start from back here. We're gonna be rolling as we go by. You're gonna launch.
So you want me to launch when you get to my door?
Once we're about to, we're gonna be rolling. You're gonna be at a standstill.
Yeah.
Once we get 2 car lengths ahead of you,
Oh, ahead.
you launch, and Dale's gonna give you taken off. You ready? And go. Dude, that was so cool. God damn, that thing's fast.
Dude, yeah.
All right, let's get in front of you.
it's quiet, dude.
Dale, do you
Right?
think that was it?
What was that?
Street mode,
Street mode.
sport, track, sand,
Sand. Snow.
off-road.
Off-road thing.
That's snow. I don't know.
Yeah. Got Dale hanging out the window.
off the AC compressor.
What? It sounds like
Turn down the fans on the air conditioner.
What temperature should be set?
70 degrees Fahrenheit.
The value you selected is too high.